Hey, how's it going? This is Willem Games 1775, and as you can tell, I do a lot more than video gaming. I also like to dabble in sound audio. I like the vintage market, and what I have here is a speaker repair kit. It's a subwoofer repair kit that I received from a company called Simply Speakers. As you can see, the name Simply Speakers comes with two subwoofer. I'm not sure what to call these. Let me look on here. These are the edge replacement speaker repair kit. So it is a edge replacement. It goes on the outside on top of the speaker. Let me grab that real quick. Okay, so here is a old Cerwin Vega 15-inch subwoofer that goes to a cabinet set. It is like the old gigantic speaker box. These are heavy. Wants to have all the components in there. And so let's talk about this speaker. The outside of it was pretty brittle, and so I bought the pair for 30 bucks. Okay, this is gonna go on top of here like this, and it appears that I'm probably gonna have to pull it back a little bit. I'll have to glue it. I will do some research. There are some instructions here, and I will look at that, okay, first. But as you can see, I got this gash here. The speakers feel fine. I'm not hearing any tears, okay, so that's a good sign. I will put some glue. I have plenty of glue to use on here, okay, so I will repair this right there. The other one doesn't have a gash in it, but unfortunately, that's what 30 bucks will buy you. It will buy you some speakers that have to get repaired. But I knew that, and that's okay. This is pretty much already done. I'm going to wipe it down some more because I don't want the glue not to have a good positive contact with the surface of the speaker. So this will go on top of here. And this is the outside of the speaker. This will help to hold it down once it's, once I have it back in the box. And the boxes they have water damage at the bottom, and so the vinyl is really worn off. So what I thought about doing is getting some clamps, getting some other pieces of wood, re-wetting it, warming it up with the clamps, and having it dry, and at least maybe that part. But I definitely want to reuse the boxes because doing something else, making new boxes, will be too much of a pain. But the only bad part of those speaker boxes is that they have water damage. But after all that's done, it should be good to go. These come from the Cerwin Vega E as in Echo 315s, and brand new. They're pretty expensive. Even like, I don't know if you can buy them brand new, but if you buy them used, a good pair, it's gonna cost some good coin. So that is what I will be doing. This is my little project, and so I will go ahead and get started on that. Alright, well, I think I've done a pretty good job at taking off the rest of the glue and the old outer ring, like the outer edge, the gasket, and the Dremel really helped. This glue really does not take a long time to set. And I think I did a pretty good job of getting it all underneath here. So, but I stuck a t-shirt underneath so I can help push the cone up, especially in this part right here where there's a gash. Yeah, there she is. Alright, so I'm going to show what I did yesterday. It's been over 8 hours. I can't jam on these yet because I still have some work to do. All I did was the inside. I did the inside of the cone here. Okay, there's a good layer of glue on the inside here, you know, underneath, and then I stuck some glue right here on the edge just to make sure it was all sealed up. The same one I done exactly the same way. I did this one a lot better because it was my second one. Here I will. Good thing about this mount, it is very flexible. I can move it all over the place. So I do have some tears right here. It is what it is, okay? And then I had to put some glue on this gash, and it looks like there might be a slight opening there, but I think I'm good to go. I think it's fine. Okay, but I wouldn't say it's good as new, but it is cheaper than going out and buying new stuff or buying something. Because I could go buy nameless, generic, made in China speakers and just call it a day. But this was better for a video. This is a learning experience, and I didn't watch anything. I just looked at some pictures, followed the instructions in this manual here sent to me that came with the system. Simply Speakers, quality parts and service. Okay, well, that's it for this part of the video. I will be putting it together now, doing all the editing. I am finished with the cone, and I will be unwrapping this tomorrow. I have no doubt that this worked. Any touch-ups I might have to do, I will do those tomorrow. Alright folks, thank you for watching, and hopefully I will be making another video soon. Goodbye.